So we finished the floor. Took us about a day, two of us. It went pretty well. This was about 500 square feet or so that we covered. And that was the range for the actual laminate would run somewhere between $400 to $1,000, depending on quality that you went with. Then we put a rosin paper underneath that as a buffer between the plywood and the flooring. It's like 10 or 20 bucks. It goes together really well. Once you've done two or three, as you'll see in a minute with the, I show how the tools work. Anybody can do it. So today we're putting down laminate flooring. We've already gotten started here. Just want to show you a couple of tricks, a couple of ideas of a good way to put this stuff in. It just snaps together. That's how hard it is, sort of. When you go to put them on end to end, you snap it in there first on the first row, and then you have to just work with, you'll see how we do it in a minute, but just wanted to show you a couple of tools. This is it's an angled, what do they call this thing? Pull bar. It's got nice little felt on the back, so when you set it on the piece, it won't scratch the laminate. The idea is you put this on here, you tap it to put that together. What we found, if you do it out in the middle of the room, this isn't wide enough. It tends to delaminate the laminate. So we found that a speed square works really well. It spreads the load, so when you hit it, it doesn't split that out. We usually cut it short a little bit on each end so that there's room for expansion, contraction, and something down to as a buffer between the plywood and the laminate. So here we go.